In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an app to Safari. First, let's start by adding a website to Safari as a web app on your iPhone or iPad. Begin by opening Safari and navigating to the website you want to add. This action is crucial because it allows you to create a direct link to the site, making future visits quicker and easier. You will see the website load on your screen displaying its content. This is the first step in enhancing your browsing experience. Once the website is fully loaded, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, tap on the Share button located at the bottom of the screen. The Share button looks like a square with an upward arrow. This button is your gateway to various options for sharing and saving content. When you tap it, a menu will appear, showcasing different ways to share the website. This moment is key because it opens up more features, including the option to add the site to your home screen. You will notice other sharing options here, but focus on the one we need. From the Share menu, select the option that says Add to Home Screen. This option allows you to create a shortcut that will appear on your device's home screen. It is important because it effectively transforms your favorite website into something that functions like an app. After you select this option, a new screen will pop up giving you a chance to personalize the shortcut. Now you can edit the name if you want. The default name will usually be the website's title, but you can change it to something that makes more sense for you. This customization is beneficial because it makes it easier to recognize the app at first glance. You might want to shorten the name or make it more specific based on how you use the website. Once you are satisfied with the name, you're almost there. Finally, tap the Add button to create the shortcut. This action will place the website icon directly onto your home screen. You will see a confirmation that the website has been added. Now, the website will appear on your home screen and can be opened like an app. This makes accessing your favorite sites much more convenient and streamlined. Now, let's move on to adding a Safari extension on your iPhone or iPad. Begin by opening the Settings app on your device. This is where you will manage various features, including Safari settings. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and select Safari. This is important because all the options related to your browsing experience are housed here. Within the Safari settings, look for the Extensions option. Tap on Extensions to see what is available. This section allows you to manage and explore different extensions that can enhance your browsing capabilities. Extensions can range from ad blockers to password managers. It's a great way to customize your Safari experience according to your needs. Next, tap on More Extensions. This action will direct you to the App Store, where you can find a variety of Safari extensions. You will see a list of options that can improve your browsing functionality. Download the extension that interests you from the App Store. This step is essential because it expands the capabilities of Safari, allowing you to tailor your experience. After the extension has been downloaded, return to Settings and go back to Safari Extensions. This is where you will activate the extension you just installed. Once here, turn on the extension and grant any requested permissions. This final step is crucial because it ensures that the extension functions properly. You want to make sure everything is set up correctly for the best performance. Note that Safari is only available on Apple devices. There isn't a version of Safari for Windows or Android. This is an important consideration for users switching between different platforms. You are now ready to enjoy a more personalized browsing experience with your new web app and extensions. Thank you for following along.